Hi everyone, Hammering Beer in today's video for entertainment purposes only. Before we begin, smash a like button and hit subscribe. Let's go! So guys, let's talk about the Alibaba shares. And the November ended yesterday, and as you see from the chart guys, on the monthly we got a red candle that closed below 130 level guys. It's quite important guys, because I was waiting that it will close approximately on 130 maybe, or even on the higher guys level, on the higher, but as you see it closed below 130. And guys, it's very key moment, and today I will talk about those key moments. First of all, I will talk about the very bad scenario, the crash scenario, and then the possible hope scenario that it's not so bad. So let's go back to the bad scenario. As you see guys, that we got a continuation of a huge downtrend, and as you remember from my previous video, I was telling that 130 is the key level, and if it will hold guys, there is a possibility that the pullback will start. But no, yesterday we got a ending crash, you know, it just touched approximately 126 level and closed. So what's the possible scenario for the December? Let's measure 1 month candle guys. Let's measure 1 month candle. I am measuring the November, and as you see guys, I am measuring the November. I will zoom it you that you will see more clearly the possible targets guys of the pullback. The possible targets of the pullback from here is a 137, 143. So my idea is that the Alibaba in the December will pull back a bit, and guys, then after, when it will touch approximately 137, 143 approximately level, it will start to drop down further guys, and the important key level guys, keep your eyes on the 126 level, because after such a move, if it will break into 126 guys, then I see a freeway guys directly to $100 guys, to $100, and even guys to $90, and even guys to $90, because you see from history that approximately from the $90 it was a support. Approximately there was a support from where it started to rise here, and another is there, you see. So guys, the $90, I was talking it about a few months ago, as you remember from my previous video, and now looks like that some bad scenario is possible, that we will go and even lower. And let's talk now about the good scenario, the hope scenario, the not so bad crash scenario. The other guys scenario is second, that let's delete that Fibonacci and talk about the monthly, the December scenario and good scenario. I guess guys that we could touch in the upcoming weeks, days, and even lower than 126, in order to create a panic, that everybody will panic and will not even touch the Alibaba. And that's maybe the target of the market makers, to create a panic that nobody will touch the Alibaba, nobody will buy. And relatively, if guys we will look from the point of the bulls, it's not so bad time to open some longs, because you see relatively we are in the cheap zone guys. 127, it's quite not so bad a price to buy if we relate it supposed to $200, you know. So the market makers targets, I think, to create the panic, and we even can touch on 120, suppose 5, 124, 120 approximately. And from here guys, I guess that some rocketing fuel will appear, guys, will appear, and from those levels we will pull back to 137, 140 level, approximately there. And that will be the end of the December, approximately in such a scenario. That will be not maybe so strong volatile month. So comparing with the bad scenario that I told that it will drop down to $90. So, and we will see what will be the further move of the Alibaba. We will watch, we will closely watching it every day, and I will update my video this week about it. So guys, the situation is so the Alibaba continuing to drop down. It broke 130, but it doesn't mean that it's over, guys. It doesn't even mean that it's over. And there is a possibility now, as you remember, I told to buy it at 128, 129, and now we in 127, and I think that it's not a bad time to open some longs. Don't put all in your money, but open some few positions, how to say, depending on your portfolio, guys. On your portfolio you can open some longs of the Alibaba. It's not so bad time to open it now. So guys, this is it for Alibaba for today. I will update it later. Thanks for watching. See you later.